Unraveling the mystery. Racking one's brain. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit strange at first, but it's quite common in everyday English. We're talking about racking one's brain. Have you ever come across this phrase and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this mystery together. First things first. What does racking one's brain actually mean? To rack one's brain is a phrase used to describe the act of thinking very hard or trying to remember something. It's like searching every corner of your mind to find an answer or come up with an idea. This phrase is often used when someone is putting a lot of effort into solving a problem or recalling information that seems just out of reach. You might be wondering where this peculiar expression comes from. The word rack, in this context, refers to a form of medieval torture device. Yes, you heard that right. The rack was used to stretch victims, causing immense pain. While the phrase, racking one's brain, certainly doesn't involve physical torture, it metaphorically suggests putting your mind through a strenuous effort, stretching it to its limits to find a solution or recall something important. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. Here are a few examples. I've been racking my brain all day trying to remember where I left my keys. She's racking her brain for a creative idea for her next art project. We were all racking our brains trying to solve the complex puzzle. As you can see, it can be used in various contexts, always implying a deep and intense concentration or effort to remember or think of something. For those learning English, incorporating phrases like racking one's brain into your vocabulary can make your speech sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few tips. 1. Practice using the phrase in different sentences until you feel comfortable with it. 2. Listen for the phrase in movies, TV shows, or podcasts to understand how native speakers use it. 3. Try writing a short story or paragraph where a character is racking their brain to solve a problem. This exercise can help you remember the phrase and its usage. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and use of racking one's brain. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your own English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about curiosity and practice, so keep racking your brain for new words and phrases to learn. See you in our next video.